Yeah. Where's my... There I am. Hello. Hello. Today we're playing Rusty's Retirement. Is that because terminal stopped running, or is... Oh wait, is something... Wait. My OBS setup. Oh god. Where is everything? Okay, that looks like that's in the right place. It's just not rendering. Okay, so the terminal window is there. It's just... Oh. Hold on. I might need a... I might be having some technical difficulties. I can't show you my... I can't show off my my NeoBIM config. It's not showing. Where's my... Just put terminal on top. And do I have my... Oh wait, I have my chroma key. My chroma keys in setup, right? Hold on. Settings. Graphics. Green screen. On green. Also, is that... Yeah, I think I moved it a bit. And now the terminal's just not taking up the whole space. Okay, okay. This is fine. This is fine, right? Background is there. Wait, what is... That is Rusty's. Rusty's retirement. Wait, terminal. Thought I had green screen on. All right. We've got some stuff to work through. Capture specific window. Rusty's retirement. Filters. Chroma key. It looks like it's just black. That's not gonna work. Oops. Oops. Oh, there we go. Had to set it again. Okay. All right. This is totally fine. Good afternoon, Neo. Hello, Nepalt. Gotta adjust the thing again. Right, and my filter settings. I think I have everything set up before stream. Right, I think I had set to like around this much. Chroma key, good. Better. Alright. Alrighty then. And now my terminal window. This is fine. This is fine. Alright, hello Nepalt. Hello whoever's lurking. Let's turn back on the music, because this game has a nice soundtrack. Very chill, relaxing. I've been playing this game on and off. So the gimmick of this game is it's like an idle farming game, but it goes at the bottom of your screen and it doesn't take up your whole screen. It's like designed to just not take up your full focus. You can like play it while doing something else, like doing a mindless task, or maybe a task where you do need to think and sometimes you need to focus. But anyway, I've been trying it out for a bit now. I'm not sure if I actually like working with it more, or if it's like just enough to get me started working so that I can reach a point where, okay, I'm focused on the work now, so I can turn off the game. But anyway, this is Rustlings. Rustlings is a thing, like an exercise-based thing for learning the Rust programming language, which I've been messing around with for a couple weeks now, trying to learn it. The reason that I'm learning Rust is actually because I wanted to make like a C++ module for a game that I'm working on. I'm making in Godot, and the thing I was trying to do was not performant enough, so I wanted to make a library. Like Godot has a GD extension thing where you can write C++ code basically instead of using the GD scripting language. Just slightly slower depending on what you're trying to do, or if you want to like bring in extra libraries, then that's useful. So I started messing around with Flex and entity component system in C++, and I got skill issued because my code just crashes and I don't know where or why. But it's probably something to do with multi-threaded memory management. So I figured if I'm gonna have to learn C++ to a point where I'm comfortable with that level of memory management, I might as well learn Rust, because the compiler is actually helpful when you're using Rust, and it kind of solves like the similar need as C++ if you need that much like control over performance or hardware. But it's just more modern, has more safety measures. Hello Cyclocust. C++, yeah. What a lovely old language. I took one class in university and did not have a great time. I think taking the class was a good experience just because it was super hard. But it made me not want to touch C++ again, and then I tried touching C++ again, and then I did not like it. So here I am, learning Rust. Anyway. I might be referring to the Rust book as well while I'm doing this. Maybe we should get started with the Rusty's retirement first. Let's see. New farm, open range, horizontal. Wow! Look, it's Rusty. He's just sitting there. And we'll start with some weed, I guess. I was just listening to Nicola and Salty Kitschy's stream, and they were talking about like Zatsu games, like chill games that you can chop. Wait, shit, I changed my settings again. Green screen. Green screen? Please. Please. Oh, okay, you just have to switch the green screen option twice for some reason. Anyway. So, we're farming. This game has like Twitch integration, but unfortunately we're on YouTube, so we don't get that. Let's see what we can build with our money right now. Yeah, let's expand the crop patch. Maybe on the right. Yeah. And looks like we have just enough for water bot, harvest bot, biofuel bot. I guess we can start with the water bot. Yeah, that emoji is definitely my reaction to C++ as well. Convert biofuel. I think we're good for now. Oh no, but now we're blocked on harvesting the wheat. It's okay, we'll plant some more stuff once this next field is done. Oh, I don't have spare parts. Okay, there we go. We're farming. We're farming. And this music's a bit loud, so on my speakers. Maybe it's really quiet on stream now. We can raise it a bit. Okay. Anyway, Rustlings. What is Rustlings? It's like an exercise-based way thing for learning Rust. And basically you're given a bunch of exercises and you have to make them compile. It's code that doesn't compile and you just have to make the code compile. Make sure edifice set up. Oh yeah, I wanted to add ripgrep. Probably won't be needing ripgrep for this, but I wanted to add it to my NeoVim config, but haven't done that yet. Yeah, the stream was actually just an excuse to show off my NeoVim config. I'm still pretty new to using NeoVim. I just took like a day to watch and set up like a configuration from other people's configurations and just pick some stuff that was easy to set up. Anyway, but I've been using Vim keybinds for a lot longer, a few years now. Well, I guess maybe longer than that, because I've been using a Vim keybinding extension in VS Code for a longer time. But now I'm in actual Vim. Well, it's NeoVim, but now I'm forced to use the keyboard, which is kind of good. Oh, our farm is going. Let's plant some cabbages. All right. So this exercise compiles successfully, and remaining exercises contain a compiler or logic error. The central concept behind Rustling is to fix those errors and solve the exercises. And so now you can remove this I am not done comment. Save that, and now we'll go to the next exercise, which is on intro 2. Open up the fuzzy finder. All right. Make this code print a greeting to the world. Hello, format string thingy. So we need a new argument, and we'll just add world. Hello world. Wow, it goes in the format thingy, the thing there. Okay, let's keep going. Let's open up this intro 2. All right, no, we're at variables 1. Can I Oh, yes, you can. You can do that. Okay. Good to know. I forgot what this extension was called. It was nvim tree or something? Yeah, nvim tree. Okay. So, now we're on variables 1. Oh, we've got some empty land in our farm. Let's plant some stuff. Let's try some cabbages. How much money do we have? Not a lot. Okay. Where are we? Variables 1. What was I what was I doing? I was navigating inventory. Alright. Variables 1. I wonder what the readme says. In Rust, variables are immutable by default. When a variable is immutable, once a value is bound to a name, you can't change that value. You can make them mutable by adding mute in front of the variable name. Oh, good to know. Alright. Make me compile. X equals 5. Cannot find value X. You might have meant to introduce a new binding. Wow. Look, the compiler tells you what you can do to fix this error. So use the let keyword, which means that X, we declare X as a variable. There we go. Variables 2. Add some stuff to our farm. Yeah, we're just getting started. If I remember correctly, go for Haiku's house first, but we can expand a bit before then. Is this followable? I guess like programming streams are always gonna be kind of hard for an audience that isn't like the programming audience. Ultimate stimming, yeah. But hopefully this is followable. Enjoying the free Rust lessons. Nice, good to know. Yeah, I've been reading through the book as well. It's been very useful. So, let X, type is not known, and I think if you just put the type, like I32, then that doesn't solve it yet, because the actual issue is that we're not defining a value. Yes, we're using an uninitialized value, so we can add a value. Yep. Wow. All right. And then the parentheses aren't necessary around the if statement. And the other thing is that the if statement returns the value of whatever these return. Anyway, where was I? 3. Yeah, programming content. It's like I do watch stuff occasionally. I know was it Asahi Lina, the VTuber, does like M1 GPU driver coding, and that is something that I have no real knowledge of, but still like kind of neat to have in the background. Whatever kinds of content. I watch a lot of Primogen stuff. I guess it's mostly like reactions. Alright, we're still gotta save up a bit. You got the farming game at the bottom to keep my attention. That was the plan. that was yeah, the theory behind this stream is that if you're bored of the programming content, you can look at the farm, and if you're bored of the farm, you can watch me code. Ultimate ADHD zoomer stream brain. Been trained off the Subway Surfer shorts? Exactly. Oh, there's a VTuber, I think Rachie did like an ADHD karaoke stream where like every so often she would add another random like Subway Surfers or soap carving TikTok whatever video to and by the end the screen was just like full of stuff. All right, what do you got here? Another uninitialized variable. Number 1. Let's go. Anyway, I've been watching anime. I've been watching Girls Band Cry. It's good. It's good, and it's 3D, but it uses the 3D animation pretty well. And there's like occasions where they switch back to 2D animation for like background characters or whatever, and like I realized that that's the part that's jarring. It's not the 3D itself that's jarring, it's the combination of 2D and 3D in a way that doesn't like mesh together. That like is really distracting. Anyway, I like that anime. We cannot assign choice to immutable variable. Don't change this line. Okay, let's make this variable mutable. Because in Rust, everything's constant by default, which is so much nicer than having to remember to put const. I need to get back into anime I haven't watched for years. Yeah, I've been like barely watching anime for a long time now. I just started to watch Freerun, and I'm still like going really slowly through it. Same, brother. Yeah. Don't change this line. Don't rename this variable. Okay, we can use variable shadowing. Actually, I did this last night. That's why I remembered. So anyway, we're like redeclaring number, and it's just using the same name. Anyway. How's our farm going? Oh, we unlocked a new... We unlocked leaks! We unlocked leak! Let's go, we can... Hatsune Miku meme leak. Okay, whatever. What do we got here? Use a hint. Watch subcommand for a hint. Help provide a type for the constant. Alright. Sounds like we need to add a type. I32 to the constant. Great. Yeah, that makes sense. You probably want to know what type of constant is. All right, what do we got? Functions 1. Call me. All right. We have a function. The function isn't defined. I think we can we declare the function in the block of the other function body? Print line. Neat. Okay, cool. Yeah, we could have done that outside of main. We could have done that inside of main. Well, I just want to see what the hint was for this. Okay, cool. Yeah, they wanted us to define a function. Alright, cool. Functions 2. Call me num : expecting a type. Alright, let's give it a type. Cannot find value now. Okay, yeah, because we didn't give it a type. Alright. Ring, call number 1, call number 2, call number 3. Let's go. What was I doing? Alright. Functions 3. I'm just gonna get distracted by this farm. Oh, but we're producing biofuel now, which means we can afford some stuff. Maybe. In a bit. What are we bottlenecked by? Is it the harvesting? I mean, probably, yes. But I think we can just go for expanding the crop patches if we save up a bit more. 4 not being wrapped in parentheses is throwing me off. Yeah, the for statement and the if statement. I mean, it kind of reminds me of Python, which doesn't require that. What are we doing? Expected 1 argument, found 0. Alright. Alright. Call number 1,000. Yay. Alright. That's a lot. Let's just call 10. Yay, okay. Functions 4. 12 out of 96. Oh, we got empty land. What do we need more of? The radishes take a long time. So the cabbages, but they happen 3 times. Leeks? I guess, looking towards the future. We'll want some leeks, probably. Not some memory leaks. Yeah, harvest bot probably help. What's my hand doing? I don't need to focus this hard on the game. But I want more land. More crops. More crops. Alright, functions 4. This store is having a sale where if the price is an even number, you get 10 rust bucks off. But if it's an odd number, it's 3 rust bucks off. Alright. We're only interested in the signatures for now. Alright. Peeks ahead to... Alright. Price is an I-32, and we have the arrow indicating we're returning a type. I suppose we should return an I-32. 32-bit integer. And here we're returning from the if statement. So there's no semicolon at the end, which means we return whatever this whole if statement is. And then inside the ifs blocks, there's no semicolons here as well, which means we return the value of whatever this evaluates to. And then here also no semicolons means we return that value. Alright. There we go. Functions 5. Let answer equal square 3. Square 3 is something answer. This returns nothing. Help remove this semicolon to return this value. Look, they tell you exactly. The compiler actually gives you a useful hint. Okay. I mean, it does get more complicated eventually, but it is nice that there's all these helpful compiler messages. Alright, if what? Bigger. Complete this function to return the bigger number. Do not use another function call or additional variables. Okay. Oh, Rusty's almost done building this. What should he plant? Some leeks, maybe? Maybe go with the longer ones, so... maybe go with the shorter ones. Let's get some wheat. Sure. Got a lot of cabbage. Not a ton of radish. Alright, rustlings, Don't mind this for now. I see some tests. Yeah, we can just write the if statement. If A is greater than B, not colon, okay. Then return A. Else B. Not that. Okay, there we go. Equal numbers also returns equal, okay. Alright, if 2, make me compile, get the bar for fuzz and default 2 baz, tests, passing. Oh my god! Foo if fizz-ish, stir. Okay. And so equal foo if fizz of fuzz returns bar. Foo if fizz. Okay. Looks like we do else if fizzish is equal to fuzz. Then we return bar, and then default is Baz. Wow. All right, cool. If, else if. And we have if 3. Oh, our cabbage field is almost done. Plant more cabbages, or do we plant more radishes? What do we need? A bit more cabbage, and then a bunch of radishes and a bunch of leeks. Look into the future. Do we go for leeks first, or radishes? I guess radishes. Alright. Do not change this statement below. If and else have incompatible types. Alright. Let identifier equal. If animal equals crab. 1, else if animal equals gopher, snake. 2.0, 3, unknown. Alright, we're comparing to these numbers, so let's change this from float to not a float. Some kind of integer type. And then we need to change the string to some default value. Let's go with 0. And that should trigger this unknown. Okay, that works. Gopher lives in the burrow, snake lives in the desert, crab lives in the beach. Unknown lives in unknown. Alright. Here, if I miss something on the farm, you guys can remind me. You guys can backseat my farming. How are we doing? Yeah, still need to save up a bit. Where were we? Quiz 1. Alright. I'll try to get what's happening down there. It's okay. Honestly, this kind of game doesn't really seem like it's meant to be hyper optimized, but you can hyper optimize this game if you want. Hey Neo, hello Cypher. I'm clicking. I'm clicking the cog, I'm gaining money. Okay, let's not get stuck with that. What do we got? Radishes, leeks. Guess we can make this leeks. We'll need some leeks eventually. I think we have enough. Vegetable stuff stockpiled for our biofuel. Alright. No hints this time. This is a quiz for the following sections: variables, functions. If Mary is buying apples, the price of an apple is calculated as follows. An apple costs 2 rust bucks. If Mary buys more than 40 apples, each apple only costs 1 rust buck. Write a function that calculates the price of an order of apples given the quantity bought. Okay, cool. Put your function here. Alright, use my thingy. We need to take in a variable, quantity. I'll just use any integer type. And this returns an integer type. Alright. And if more than 40, so 41. So if more than 40, if quantity is greater than 40. Quantity times 1. Else turn quantity times 2. Okay. Yay, we did it. Primitive types. Primitive types 1. Alright. Should we read the readme? Let's read the readme. Rust has a couple of basic types that are directly implemented into the compiler. In this section, we'll go through the most important ones. Okay. Parameter types 1, fill in the rest of the line that has code missing, no hints, no tricks, just get used to typing these. Finish the rest of this line like the example, or make it be false. Is evening. Or make it be false. Okay, cool. Boolean's bool. We didn't even add the type hint. Okay. Types 2. How's our farm doing? How's the farm going? Looks like we can afford a harvest spot if we sell our biofuel. That'd probably be good. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I guess we'll put it here, maybe. Yeah, sure. You can harvest those right 2 fields. Okay. Where were we? Do kind of want to do more video game streams eventually. What was my last stream? What did I play? Oh right, it was EA Sports WRC. Ah, that was fun. I've been feeling a little weird about like wanting to play games off stream and then like not playing them off stream, even though I could, and playing like some games off stream and some other games not off stream. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking things. As always, I always overthink things. Note the single quotes. These are different from the double quotes you've been seeing around. Is alphabetic. To finish a line like the example, what's your favorite character? Try a letter, try a number, try a special character. Try a character from a different language than your own. Try an emoji. Let your character equal. What should we put? Literal must not be empty. Japanese hiragana. It is alphabetical. This is alphabetical. What is the definition of alphabetical here? I remember there's a... Alright, it was, yeah, this key. Alphabetic property. Described in Chapter 4 of the Unicode Standard. Okay, great, thanks. Oh, that. Oh, so Chinese characters are alphabetic? Interesting. And emojis are not alphabetic? Okay. Great. What are we planting here? Leeks. If these are cabbages, these are radishes. I guess leeks. Alright. Some more leeks. Oh, we unlocked something. We unlocked carrots. Let's go. Let's plant 1 carrot. 2 carrots. 3 carrots. Do you have enough radishes? I guess we'll find out. Oh, we need 60 for this one. We'll get around to it. When do I build the biofuel pod? It is cheaper. Technically, no, it's not cheaper, but it's... We haven't bought one yet. Anyway, we don't have enough money yet. Okay. Alright, what am I doing? A equals something. Create an array of at least 100 elements. Where the question mark is. I know there's a like a vector macro don't know if that's the same as the array. You know what? Let's... Oh, well, I don't know. Let's consult the book. Let's take a look at the book. I think doc.rustling.org. I know that was it Brown University has a different version of the Rust book. It's like a bit more detailed. Yeah, Rust book CS Brown edu. Wowie. Data types. Data types. Chapter 3, section 2, and then the slice type, chapter 4, section 3. Let's see. Window capture. Oh god. Why did I do this? Yeah. Oh god, okay, it's above the terminal. There we go. Alright. Data types. Green screen jump scare. The visual equivalent of sudden loud audio. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh right, vectors or arrays. I was wondering if there's a difference here. The vector syntax or the array type. Yeah, this one. You can also initialize an array to contain the same value for each element by specifying the initial value followed by a semicolon and then the length of the array in square brackets. Okay. Cool. That sounds like what we need. All right. Back to primitive types 3. Wow. A big array. We'll say value 0, semicolon, and then a length of 100. Wow. Wow. Or of course you could manually type out 100 elements. Write a Python script to generate the code for you, you know. Or, you know, a Rust script. A Rust program. Oh, we got a plan. I think we get the biofuel bot so that Rusty can do some other tasks. Or I could go for more land. What do we need now? We have a lot. Like some stuff packed up? Well, first let's plant some stuff. Do we need more leeks? Probably. What do we buy? I guess I'll go for the biofuel pod. Go here. Okay. What do we got? Slice out of array. Get a slice out of the array. What was the syntax for this? What was the syntax for this? 2 would be index 1. 2 index 4 non-inclusive. Doesn't have a size known at compile time. Consider borrowing here? It's a reference. Cool, that works. I should probably actually read what the section in the book for the slice syntax. The slice type? Oh man, this is complicated. Maybe I should look at the normal book. Range syntax? Oh, here it is. Range syntax. If you want to start at index 0, you can drop the value before the 2 periods. Slice includes the last byte. You can drop the trailing number. You can drop both values to take a slice of the entire string. Interesting. Wait. Did they mention? Okay, whatever. String slices, I guess array slices work similarly. String literals are slices. String slices are parameters, as parameters. Right, there's the capital string type, and there's the ampersand stir different type. Other slices. All right, more general slice type. Consider this array. Well, let me resize this. Consider this array. There we go. This slice has a type reference array I32. Okay. Sure. I'm clicking. I'm clicking. I'm stimming. What are we planning here? What do we want to plant here? Carrots, cabbages, leeks. It's so disorganized. I don't care. I'm planting leeks. Plant some leeks. That'll unlock our next crop. Sure. Okay. Back to coding. Primitive times 5. What other topics do I have to chat about? I feel like this should be like a half Zatsu. Oh, play the game for 1 hour. Yeah, we played the game for 1 hour. We've been farming for 1 hour. Wait, this stream isn't even 1 hour old. I just had the game open before stream. Okay. What am I planning? Leaks, I guess. Whatever. I don't know. Sometimes the optimal strategy is not the most aesthetically pleasing strategy. Code! Hello, Kaito Shion. We're coding. We're writing some Rust code. And I'm chatting about whatever. Am I chatting? I don't know. I've been kind of focused on the coding and the farming right now. I feel like I do like streams in general for the chatting parts usually. I remember I'd always watch Bayatani streams. All right, Bayatani tangent time. Amazing. Thank you. Time to mention the VTuber who graduated a year before I even started VTubing, but who was like the #1 influence on me wanting to become a VTuber was Bayatani, and she'd always have streams that were like planned to be a game or something, and she'd just go off on the wildest, longest tangents, and they would be completely something else. But I think that's what I most liked about her streams was like the random Japanese internet lore and other random stuff. Those are the best streams, yeah. And I feel kind of like I should be trying to go for more of that energy, even though I don't usually. I just I'm too focused on the whatever thing I'm streaming about. The yappenings, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm not consuming the right type of content to have stuff to talk about. Don't force yourself to do it. Your streams are nice and chill. Aw, thanks. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad people like my streams. But I do wonder, like are my streams the kind of content that I would actually want to watch, or not, or something else? All right, what is this? Destructed the cat tuple. Yeah, we'll do name, age, like that. Wow, cool. We're destructuring the tuple, so now Name becomes Furry McPherson, and cat age is 3.5. Decimal ages. Maybe I should do more reacting to stuff on stream. I don't know. Be a react tuber. Hey Neo, hello JPZ. Or coding and farming and whatevering. I'm not sure I even know what this stream is supposed to fully be. No, I do know what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be Rusty's retirement and Rust programming language. And then me talking about whatever comes to mind. Yeah. The whole not forcing yourself thing. What am I thinking? I don't know. I feel like I should be trying to go more out of my comfort zone and like maybe trying to get better at just talking as a skill, right? And like put more focus onto it instead of just passively whatever. I remember early on my sort of plan was like, oh, I'll keep playing like low focus games. I guess Rusty's retirement, like something like this, where you don't really need to focus that hard on it, and then turn things like slowly get better at Satsu, at just chatting by playing games like that. Whatever's more comfortable to you. I think you got good Satsu. Aw, thanks. I wonder if it's just the fact that like I don't do full Zatsu streams. I guess if you have a plan or like an outline, that's how you usually do it, right? Versus like, I don't know, you're playing a game and reacting to whatever, and then something comes up that reminds you of something else, and then you make that connection or chat about it or whatever. I'm probably overthinking things. I feel like I always overthink things. Because if you force anything, really, it's not going to be as good as if you know, let it flow naturally out of you. That sounds so weird. Right? Like if you're forcing yourself to do something, then maybe you aren't approaching it the right way, or maybe you should be doing something else. Oh, we unlocked something. Celery. All right, cool. Wow, we have a lot of biofuel. Let's get another plot of land, I think. Yeah. Over here, maybe? Okay. Maybe over here. Yeah, then it's in the range of which guy? The water bot. Where to put this? Yeah, let's put it here. Okay. Sometimes I feel like maybe I just need to go outside more or experience more things so that I have stuff to talk about. But I guess you don't have to. You definitely don't have to have that to be VTuber. Like, you can talk about internet stuff if you are like terminally online and all you do is browse fucking Twitter or Reddit or whatever, and then that's all you talk about. Then like, yeah, that's something to talk about. If anything, it's like more effective because internet content attracts people who also like internet content, and then you can bond with people over sharing similar content or whatever. Oh well. Oh well. All right. Do you have more money to invest in our farm? I guess we could buy even more land, or you could just start saving up for Haiku's house. Maybe it's land first, because 50 biofuel, that's equivalent to, well, it's only equivalent to 500 spare parts. Well, we can afford the crop patch, so I guess I'll get the crop patch. One more over here. Then we probably need another harvest spot on the left. So actually we should move this guy up. Oh no, we're gonna be slowed down for so long as Rusty builds all this stuff. Oh well. Okay, he's doing the move command first, so that's good. What are we planting next? Celery? Full field of celery. Oh, I'm out of money. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Move a building. And some leeks. I think I'm running out of water. I'll probably get some water soon. But we're on the last exercise for primitive types. Cool. Was I gonna get a harvest spot first, or should I just save for Haiku? That's only equivalent to like, yeah, 1500. You know what? Alright, whatever. Oh god. What is that YouTube link? Is that this stream's link? That's probably this stream's link. As long as I don't accidentally paste my password or something. That is... yeah, that's a stream link. Okay. Subtle self-plug. SMH my head. Yeah, sorry, you know, I just gotta show myself on my own stream. I have to show my own stream on my own stream, you know. Make sure you check out Neopolino's stream here at on youtube.com. Links in the chat. I'll drop a sub. Oh man, thanks. You don't have to. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. God damn it. Everyone always talks about like, oh, those like interaction reminders are so annoying, but also they just work. Like statistically, I guess on a sample size this low, when I haven't looked at the numbers, I don't know how many people are watching, but with a sample size this low, it probably doesn't make that much of a difference. Well, it'll either make no difference or it'll make a big difference, right? with a low sample size. But what am I planning next? Carrots? Alright, let's go carrots. More money. More carrots. Yeah. Yeah, if a sample size is low, it'll either not have any impact or have a big impact, right? I don't know how many people are lurking and unsubbed. Anyway. What is this? Use a tuple index to access a second element of numbers. You can put the expression for the second element. Okay. Numbers dot 1. That's a second number, right? 0 indexed. Speaking of 0 indexing, there was some guy made a video about why Lua is correct and we should be using 1 indexing instead of 0 indexing, and we've all been brainwashed by the big C complex, by the C programming language. Anyway, it was like a half serious video, but it's funny. Vex. Vec1. Alright. I guess Vex. Your task is to create a vec, which holds the exact same elements as the array A. I know the macro is vec bang, but can we initialize it from A? Struct vec I32 4. Let's see. Vec new, fill it with the push method, use the vec macro to define your elements inside the square brackets. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is making a vector and of a single element, and the single element is the entire array. Okay. Vec bang this macro. 30, 40. Wow. Alright, cool. What was I saving for? Yeah, another harvest spot probably. Actually, I don't even know if we're limited by harvesting right now. I guess we'll find out. Thing is, I could be just saving directly for Haiku's house. Alright, I'll just save for Haiku. Then I have to do less clicking. What am I doing? Going to the next one. Next 2, alright. A vec of even numbers is given. Your task is to complete the loop so that each number in the vec is multiplied by 2. So we have a mute v. I think we use a reference v of, or reference element. Do we need that actually? Iter mute. Hold on. If we just do element equals element times 2, or element times equals 2. Cannot mutate immutable variable, so we do that. Alright, the same thing as above. Instead of mutating the vec, you can just return the new number. Alright, we're using the map function. This is lambda that takes an argument element, and we can return element times 2. Cannot use times equals on reference mute. So does this need to be mute for mute element? Cannot use times equals on times equals. Binary assignment operation times equals. Oh. Is that a different times equals? Alright, cannot mute. Okay, dereference. Dereference this. And this should be a reference. This should be a reference. Cannot mutate immutable variable element. Hold up. We're using iter mute. Returns an iterator that allows modifying each value. Dereference? Hold on. Mute v. Turns an iter mute. Dereference element equals element times 2. That's an at mute reference I32, so dereference this as well. Okay. Okay. So, what is element? It's a reference that needs to be dereferenced to actually modify it. And then to get the value, we also need a dereference. Cool. That took me a while. I should probably actually read the stuff. Iterating over the values in a vector. Let's see. Get immutable references to each element in a vector. Iterate over mutable references. And use the dereference operator. Right. Alright. Okay. Good to know. Kinda want to buy that that harvest pod. Because I know it would speed things up. But I know Haiku's house is probably going to be more impactful. And we're like a third of the way there. Actually, we're bottlenecked by the biofuel generator at this point, I think. Are we? Or are we not? Are our crops going too slow? Yeah, it seems we need more of a third crop. I guess that's the carrots. Yeah, the carrots are getting harvested. Okay, back to coding. Change the value that the mutable reference refers to. Use the dereference operator. Yeah, it's funny because sometimes you don't need to dereference things with references, but then sometimes you do, and then I don't know exactly when those cases are. But that's probably just a skill issue. Alright. Okay. Okay. I need water. I'm gonna get some water. Hold on, we'll look at the next one first. Move one. Move semantics one, this one. Alright. I am not done. Vec 0 is a vec. Vec 1 calls fill vec on vec. Can hot mutate immutable variable vec. We'll just make this mutable. And we still need this, I think. Because we're moving. Do we need this actually? Can we just... Yeah, okay. Yeah, because we move it in the, in this function argument. Okay, cool. Do semantics too. Plant some carrots. Looks like we're 2/3 of the way to Haiku's house. I need to get some water, so I'm gonna be right back. Please enjoy the idle farming in at the bottom of the screen. Alright, BRB. Hello, internet content consumer. Hi, chat. I'm back. And we're... How far are we? Ooh, just a little bit more and we can get Haiku's house. Okay. Welcome back. Hello, internet content producer. Hello, Rexes. Move semantics. What is this? This is farming. We're playing Rusty's Retirement. It's an idle farming game that goes at the bottom of your screen and you're supposed to play it while you're doing something else. So I noticed another YouTuber, Alexa, had been playing this game and doing like New York Times crossword puzzles. So I wanted to do that for like programming. I've been thinking of doing like a Rust learning stream for a while now, and so I figured, hey, Rusty's Retirement, let's combine that with learning Rust. So this is the Subway Surfers at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, this is your Subway Surfers basically. Oh, we can build Haiku's house. Where is Haiku going? I mean, he can go anywhere, I guess. Let's put him on the left. There we go. Build Haiku's house. He's gonna help out on the farm. I was thinking about like other idle games. It's been so long since I was like really into these like idle games, incremental games, and the problem with a lot of them is it just demands so much of your time to play optimally. Just need to add stretched out Family Guy clips and you'll blow up. Oh yeah, I mentioned earlier there's this one VTuber, Rachie, who did like an ADHD karaoke stream, and like every few minutes she would add another like Subway Surfers, soap carving, whatever, geometry dash to the screen. Oh man, check out those like sensory fruit thing. Wait. Hold on. PC 4K 60 FPS Subway Surfers. Oh my god. Here, put this on mute. I'll just borrow someone's. Hold on. For the bit. Alright, thank you to whoever the heck for for the Subway Surfers. This is from YouTube channel Throneful. Now this is peak gameplay. Oh yeah, here we go. We don't need we don't need Rust. Nixie put on the sensory fruit videos so much I'm starting to like them. Okay, we don't need to see the actual Rustlings thing. Oh no, it stopped running because it was in the background. Oh no, I have to put it somewhere that's actually visible to me and not just to the stream. Okay, I think that works. Can't believe this is like full widescreen gameplay. Anyway, how's the positioning? You guys like it here? Do you guys like it here? Is this better? This is not better. This is awful. There we go. That's nicer. That's nice and chill. Maybe I should actually download one of these so I can run it through OBS. Oh god. What am I doing? Okay. Move semantics. Some pro level key jingling. Hey chat, look at the Subway Surfers. Look at the farming in the background. Look at whatever. Okay. Look at the dog boy in the corner of the screen. Look at a 3D V-Roid model. Look, I can raise my ears. Teehee. 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 Oh man, I feel like I haven't focused on like the girl voice thing in so long. I want to get back into singing. I keep saying that, but like I've been singing in the shower a bit. But I feel like it would be a waste for me not to get back into it, you know? Not to make content with it. So karaoke stream eventually. I'll get around to it. I'll do it someday. Oh god, I should just not practice anything or not promise anything. I'm just gonna disappoint myself and everyone else when I say, oh yeah, I'll do a karaoke stream soon, and then soon never comes. I just never do it. Gotta feel it again. Gotta feel it. I don't even know what I fully mean by that, but I don't know, maybe someday. Consider changing this parameter type in function fillvec to borrow instead of owning the value if owning the value isn't necessary. Okay. So we could do a clone, yeah. That sounds reasonable. So we clone it, it gets moved into this variable vec. God, I'm so slow with new. And we return the new vec. So now, since we cloned this, we still have vec 0, and since we returned the thing from thing, return the thing. I can't even think or speak or whatever. Do you have any struggle meal recommendations? I don't know if spam counts, because as for like your struggle meal. Oh no, we're out of biofuel. Our robots. This is terrible. We need more wheat or something. Rusty, what are you doing? I guess Haiku's doing everything now. Haiku's busy. What do you have? Not enough. Not enough vegetables. I was gonna say spam. Spam. I don't know if you have spam, but I used to eat a lot of spam with ramen. I mean, anything involving ramen, right? Ramen with whatever you have. If you have green onions, add green onions. If you don't have green onions, you know, if you have an egg, add it. If you don't have an egg, then that's too bad. Rice, egg, sriracha goes a long way. Oh yeah. Yeah, if you do it TKG, Tamago Kake Gohan. I used to eat a lot of boiled eggs with rice, like soft boiled with rice. But I think fried tastes better. That's like dinner for under $1. Yeah, rice, egg, whatever. If you have the rice seasoning furikake, add that. Egg and soy sauce all the way. Oh yeah, classic. TKG, my man. There's that one song, TKG no Uta. I remember Wadame's cover of it. Oh man, that was like so long ago. Softboiled is really good, but I suck at consistently cooking it well. Yeah. Yeah, I know there's like a bunch of... Okay, why is there farm? Carrots, celery, leeks. Usually do fried if you're on a runny yolk. Yeah. Yeah, I found it more convenient. I don't know, is it more convenient? It's not necessarily more convenient to fry the egg versus boiling it. I don't know, if you're boiling only one egg. Actually, I do boiled eggs occasionally, but both are good. It's a different kinda appeal. I think the fried is... what's the word? Peeling eggs is hard IMO. Yeah. Yeah. I do like fried. I haven't fried some rice in a while. Probably just a skill issue on my part. Excuse me. Yeah, actually with soft-boiled eggs, usually I'd like crack it in half and then scoop out the egg with a rice or with a spoon. Bless you. Thank you. Oh man, you can add me to those VTuber sneeze compilations. With a spoon. Not like a hard-boiled egg or like a medium-boiled, like a soft-boiled egg where it's still pretty runny. Make me compile without adding new lines, just changing existing lines. No lines with multiple semicolons necessary. What do we got? Vec 0, vec. Let mute vec 1, fill vec 0. Oh, and then we just need vec 1 after. Let's make this mutable reference. Does that actually do anything here? It still gets moved. Yeah. So something we can actually call push on it. So cut in half with shell on, then scoop out cooked egg with spoon. Yeah, you boil it first, and then you open it with a spoon, and then you squeeze it out, or scoop it out. Scoop out the cooked egg, and then you just put on the rice because you're gonna like mix it in anyway. And then add whatever meat you have. Okay, now we have our robots, so the farm's gonna be going faster now. Hopefully. Going for a harvest spot? Probably. I hope I'm explaining that properly. In a way that's understandable. Oh, we actually need more wheat. Okay. Guess that's kind of good because wheat grows pretty quickly. What are we doing? Vec 1 cannot borrow as mutable. Vec... right, we changed that, and then what? Wow, it works. Okay, cool. Move semantics 4. Instead of passing vector video or enter the fill vec function, this vector gets created in the function itself and gets passed, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Create and fill the vec in here. How do you do that? I guess I can just copy this, or just take this. Get rid of the argument. Okay, cool. Yeah. What else have I? Yeah, I don't know. I guess ROM is the go-to thing I think of a struggle meal. Maybe struggle meal is just the normal meal I tend to make for myself. Okay, what do you got? Yeah, and then whatever protein is cheapest around you, I guess. I don't know, eggs aren't necessarily cheapest, like when you consider for how much food you're getting. Like chicken can be pretty good. Should I build a water bot? Sure, let's put a water bot here. My struggles 4-packet instant chicken soup. Throw whatever you have in the fridge for extra and it always works. Yeah. Yeah. I know, sometimes I get like the fancier ramens. Do you have a place that has those nearby? Meagering. Love Meagering. Oh, we got 7 hoverboards on Subway Surfers on the video that we're watching. Is it time to add another sensory fruit? No. Nah. Nah, let's just change the Subway Surfers for sensory fruit videos or something. Ah, oh god. Fruit sensory video. Hey there, sensory summer dance party live stream. Oh yeah, let's go. I don't watch these. Oh god, what what the heck is going on? I guess it's kind of hard to see with. Yeah, it should be at the bottom. Yeah, I'll do that. Sure, let's do that. Yeah, I wanted more sensor. I was getting tired of Subway Surfers. 5 minutes is too long for me. I need more stimulation. I'm gonna stem. Do you have enough harvest spots? Oh right, we want a harvest spot on the left. Give me money. I want money. But first I need to move this. I can't move it. Here. Dibs on the blueberry. Yeah, I'm running out of screen real estate. What am I gonna do? Here, we put the harvest spot here, and then we move back the biofuel pod. Wait, no. Too late now. Whatever. This is fine. Do you have enough wheat yet? Yeah, I'll just put a bit more. Make me compile only by reordering the lines in main, but without adding, changing, or removing any of them. I'm getting distracted by the sensory fruit. What do I do? Okay, reorder the lines. Let's see. Without adding, changing, or removing any of them. Alright. So, first mutable borrow here, second mutable borrow here. If we just move this here, then we're done mutating it, right? And then Z can have it? Is that how it works? Yes, that is how it works. Alright, cool. Yeah, I don't usually watch these sensory videos. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the strawberries. I think we got enough wheat. We do actually need more radishes for the next unlock. How much more for the crop patch? A bit more. Actually, if I put a crop patch the bottom left right under Haiku's house, I think that'll work out because it's in range of all the bots. Kind of. You got radishes in your sensory video and you want more. No, we need it for to unlock the next crop in in Rusty's retirement. Look, it's all thematically linked, right? We've got the fruits and vegetables, which is linked to Rusty's retirement because we're farming, and then it's Rusty's retirement because he's a robot and he's Rusty. So it's like the Rust programming language. Ah, there we go. Corn unlocked. Oh yeah, we got the corn. Love corn. Trying to remember. I don't think I've ever tried an elote, but it's something I've wanted to try for a while. Maybe someday. Rust is great. .toString. Get char should not take ownership. Because they're changing the parameter type in the function. The load date is so good. Yeah, it looks good. What am I saying before? Crop patch probably? Yeah, crop patch, and then we want Echo's workshop. Do you want more bots in the meantime? Probably more land at least, and then maybe some bots. What else do we need? Radishes? Right. Plant some radishes. I wonder if it's optimal to like skip some vegetables and just go for next ones. Actually, I think the optimal strategy involves wheat just because you need it for some biofuel. Because biofuel is the main like limiting factor. What the hell? Hey. 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 It's a bear. Oh man, the bear discourse. What's the meme with like would you ever encounter like a man on a hiking trail or a bear? Hey. Hey. Bum, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. We are number one. Okay. Now I'm distracted by the sensory video, god damn it. Wow, look at that avocado. I'd rather encounter a polar bear VTuber. I miss my Yoshi. I miss her. I've been feeling kind of like, I don't know, lost in terms of like being a fan of VTubers for a while. It's like I had an Oshi and then she graduated. And no one's been able to like fully fill the void. Pippa's done a pretty good job, I think, of like just being a good VTuber to look up to that I enjoy. But it still feels like I'm missing that. I'm like looking for something more. I don't know. We're getting VTuber philosophical here. Oh. Wow. Wow. God. What am I doing? Okay. Should not take ownership? Okay, we can use a reference? Can we actually use a reference? Expected add string. Yeah, use a reference. Does that fix get char? Okay, that does fix get char. Okay. Temporary value dropped while borrowed. Let's call the lifetime of this reference 1. Temporary value is freed at the end of a statement. Assignment requires that borrow lasts for 1. Should take ownership. Okay, so don't use a reference. Use the string directly instead. And then this, remove the borrow. Remove the reference. Okay. The ampersand. There we go. I forgot. I went to somewhere, some zoo, and they had like polar bear fur. Trying to remember what it was like. It felt like animal fur. For me, I've been falling deeper in the rabbit hole ever since Flavor. I've been checking out smaller indies and engaging their chats more. Yeah. Actually, that was, yeah, where I went after, I guess alongside watching Pippa after Beatani. Sort of fell out of watching VTubers for a while, and then I went back to found Pippa, found Flavor. The rest is history, as they say. How many more radishes do we need? What else do we need? Celery. We actually need some leeks. All right. Got distracted. Okay, where are we? Should not take show. We're moving to the next one. Wait, I can't even see the scroll? Alright. Strux 1. We're in Strux 1. Alright. Wow. Address all the to-dos to make the test pass. Yeah, flavor is nice. I was watching Pro live stream this morning. That was really funny. Yeah, muted. Roommates. Don't worry about it. Red, green, blue. Alright, something goes here. Yeah, red. We'll do it in 32. Green. Blue. Semicolon. Cool. Instantiate a tuple struct. What's the syntax here? What would I expect the syntax to be? It would be something like red I32, green I32, blue I32. Expect a comma, okay, yeah, it's probably not like that. Let's open the book. Take a look. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Tuple structs are basically just named tuples. Oh, do we need an equal sign or... Nah, let's just open the book. This is the same. This is the same browser window I'm using. I'm using the same browser window for the book and the sensory video. All right. Okay. Where's the tuple syntax? Field init shorthand. Okay, I'm gonna get a second water bot there. And yeah, I guess you have the space for it, so guess the crop patch next. Like around here, there. Oh, the mouse. Oh, right, because it's a window capture, so it shows the mouse. All right. Hi, chat. Sorry about the muting. Okay, field init shorthand. I think that's what we need here, right? No, it's this. It's using tuple structs without name fields. Okay. So don't actually give names here. Okay. And then instantiated tuple struct. Green equals color tuple struct 0255 0. And unit like struct. Wow. Okay. Great. Got lots of biofuel, looks like. Do you want more bots, or do we just plant more? We actually still need some radishes. Did you ever play Breath of the Wild? No, not yet. Actually, I haven't played any Switch games. I guess we got land. Here. More crops. But yeah, that's probably one of the games that I'd play if I did ever. Ugh. Play something other than on my PC. What's going on here? Leeks? Do we need more leeks? Need more celery? We need a few more leeks. Can always run it on PC. Shh. Yeah. Oh wait, crap, my browser window's been on top. Hold on. Do you want the sensory videos back? Let's see. Hey bear. Hey bear sensory. Yay. Hey. I guess it looks better if with the fruit there. Anyway, I always feel weird talking about certain things like that on stream because Nintendo. What was it? Oh yeah, Portal 64. There was like a fan project that was like a port of Portal, like a demake of it for the Nintendo 64. And the developer, he's on YouTube, but he had to like cancel the project. Like literally Valve contacted him and let him know that the libraries he was using in order to like build a game for the Nintendo 64 meant that like Nintendo could seek legal action against him if he was like to sell it or let Valve get involved by using like Valve's IP. So they told him to stop it specifically because of Nintendo, not because of Valve. Can't even make games for Nintendo for free. Gmod just had to remove all Nintendo things after like 15 years. Yeah. yeah, I heard about that too. Actually, I saw it just on the on Steam, on like my Steam feed. Anyway, I don't know how well you can still see the code behind the sensory video, but whatever. Oh hey, our plot of land's done. What should we plant? Something slow, something fast? Does it matter? More corn? Yeah, more corn. Yeah, more corn. Let's go. I love corn. The one bit from Smiling Friends where Pim's like, I love kids. I love corn. Okay. Yeah, big companies with big legal teams, scary. Oh, speaking of Nintendo, Yuzu. Yuzu emulator. That one I heard was they were doing some stuff that was a bit too flagrantly profiting off of someone else's profiting off of a big company's intellectual property. So they, on the one hand, they kind of had it coming, but on the other hand, it kind of sucks. You know, it's kind of useful. I get it if people are selling things, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna need to upgrade these robots eventually. I could just save up directly for Echo's Workshop. Maybe I'll get one patch of land and then just save for Echo's Workshop. What do we got? Structs 2. Address all the to-dos to make the test pass. Oh wait, it's still in Struct 1. Remove the I am not done comment. Alright, Structs 2. I am not done. Make the test pass. Create your own order using the update syntax and template above. Create order template. Let your order equal. Use the update syntax. Where can I find the part in the Rust book about update syntax? 5.1 creating instances. I mean, I could probably just read the chapter names and see it. Okay. No more sensory video. We're reading. We're reading documentation. Alright. Creating instances from other instances using struct update syntax. Okay, if you wanted to do it normally by copying all these values, it would be really painful and look like this. Instead, you can do this. That looks a lot like the spread syntax in JavaScript. So just we'll use that. Okay, cool. Enjoy your dancing fruits. Okay. Your order equals something, some stuff. Name hacker in Rust. Dot order template. Expected expression. We call string : from, because we can't use a string literal there apparently. What does it say? Expected semicolon. Oh, this is an order. Order template year. Count 1. Alright. Wow! That's order. That's update syntax for structs. All right, cool. Yeah, selling things, monetizing things. I always wonder, like, how do people like put that much effort into things that like they really can't monetize for reasons, for legal reasons or otherwise. Like, how do they? I mean, I guess I did. I did that with the Phase Connect Phase Jam game. Yeah, with Rabbit Hopper. But I don't know, that was like a relatively small project. But when you get to like a bigger project that's taking more than just a few weeks, if it's an open source thing, then yeah, you have a whole community behind it and whatever. But if you're like a solo developer making a fan game or whatever, then that seems more challenging to me. Like, you should probably be getting something out of that effort besides just notoriety. Like, I'm always amazed at KU and HoloCure and Hollow Break more recently, just cause he does it for free. He doesn't like charge money for the game, which is partly because it's like a HoloLive game, so he can't like profit off of their IP without permission. Although HoloLive does actually seem to be trying to make it so people can like publish games and sell them as a product to get like publicity for HoloLive and to, you know, help out indie devs. Depends on companies. Some companies fine with it. Told him to, I'm pretty sure. Yuzu was making big money on Patreon. Yeah. I remember I watched like a YouTube video covering it. Just always, you can always trust random YouTube videos. Yeah, they were doing some stuff apparently. I think I'm saving for the... Oh right, I was gonna save for one more crop patch. It looks like we can afford that. So much farmland. My other save had like a lot more bots. We will learn about error handling later. Structs contain data, but can also have logic. In this exercise, we have defined the package struct, and we want to test some logic attached to it and make the code compile and the test pass. How are you feeling on the sensory fruits? do we want another sensory video? Do I want to switch back to Subway servers, go to Family Guy funny moments, whatever? Oh god. I'm fine with whatever. I'm just doing it for the bit. I mean, if it's entertaining, then I guess that's good too. Rustlings hint, yeah. What am I doing? Make the code compile and test fast. Alright, sure. Is international. What does this return? How are we using it? Let's see. It's almost like we're doing test-driven development. Alright. Okay, if the sender country is not equal to the recipient country. Okay. This should return a bool, I imagine. And we can use return, or we can just do self dot sender country not equal self recipient country. Those are string objects. What is my hand doing? Those are string objects, so it's not gonna compare the references, is it? You can just compare string object equality directly. Is that how it works? I guess we'll find out. All right, get fees. What are the fees? What are the... How does this work? Cents per gram. Cents per gram. Get fees, cents per gram. Oh, okay. Just return the weight in grams times the cents per gram. Self dot weight in grams times cents per gram. And this returns a U32, looks like. Unsigned in. Alright, cool. We did it. We did it. It compiled. We sure test-driven development did it, except we didn't write the test. We just used the test they gave us. Alright, cool. 34 out of 96. We've been here almost 2 hours. Damn. Okay, we got more land. What are we planting in this? A few more radishes. We need like 5 more radishes. Okay. I guess we'll do 4 of those. And then what's next? We need a bit of celery, but I think we already have enough planted. We'll plant some corn. Let's go corn. Let's go. Do we need more water bots, or am I just saving for Echo's workshop? Yeah, let's save for... I guess we'll need to expand too. Don't have enough land. So maybe I'll build some bots and then expand and then get Echo's workshop. If that's the case, then make another water bot, I guess. Does kind of seem like the crop growing speed is the limit here. All right, where are we? The next one? What is the next one? I can't see. Scroll. Damn it, scroll wheel. Enum's 1. Enum message. Define a few types of message as used below. Alright. Quit, echo, moves, change color. Is this a syntax? Echo, move. Caps lock. Wow! Cool. And it prints because we have debug. Get the half hey. Hey! Alright, enums 2. Define the different variants used below. Line messages equal... Message move, echo, change color, quit. Ooh, okay, so the enum things have types. So let's look at the book. Let's look at the book. Enums. It's been a while since I've looked at this syntax. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Oh hey, we unlocked another crop. We can plant lettuce. Let's go. Do you have enough harvesting? Yeah, I think we're good. So what is our bottleneck right now? Biofuel is probably going kind of slow. Honestly, we could afford another biofuel converter. Go all the way on the right, which probably isn't the most efficient. Or we could just plant more crops, or we could just not worry about it. We will need to... We could get it early actually without expanding the land if we just move over this crop field. This one. We can just move it a bit, and then... Actually, I'm not sure how big Echo's Workshop is. It might be too big for that. I guess we'll see when I save that much money. Or maybe I'll just go for the extra land immediately. Yeah. Expand left. Okay. Enum values. Struct. Oh, wait. Was I looking at... Okay, it's an enum, but it also has functions. But also each enum value has some different data associated with it. Let's see. Embeds the address data inside the variance in the form of two different structs. Oh, so we make a struct for each of these. Or, oh, it's like this. Okay, named fields for an enum value. And then like a tuple of types. What are my hands doing? Okay. Damn it, I'm looking at the farm again. Onions. We haven't even planted our lettuce yet. Alright. Cool. Got some advanced crops. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is how we define an enum with data associated with the variance. The variance is what they're calling it. Okay. Hey. Hey, bear jump scare. Alright. I miss Bayatani. I miss Mayoshi. I was watching Girls Band Cry and hold on. I can let me hide this for a bit. What was it? I have to open Google Images. youtube.fandom.com. Right. Alright, here I go, gushing about a dead VTuber. But anyway, I was watching Girls Band Cry. And one of the characters, I was like looking at them, I was like, what does this remind me of? She plays guitar. She has a black choker, gray hair, gray eyes, wears a hoodie. Sometimes she sings Momoka from Girls Band Cry, and then it hit me and it was like, this she reminded me of Bayatani. I miss her. Her drawing. She drew this. Okay, that's enough. Let's go back to Rust. Let's go back to sensory videos. Oh, what am I doing? Getting distracted. Okay, enum message. We have move, and that is a struct with x and y. well, I say struct, I guess this isn't like technically a struct, but it's like data associated with it. Echo contains a string. Change color contains 2, 3. I guess I'll use U32s. And then quit is empty. Am I missing something? Named fields, like a struct. Oh, what am I? This should be, yeah, numbers. Types of the numbers. Yay, we did it. All right. Enums 3. Address all the to-dos to make the test pass. Plant more corn. Should I start planting onions? We need lettuce for the next one. We also need onions for later. I'll just plant some onions. Some onions. Onions. Oh god. You just this just reminded me of Steven Universe. As I saw in Raimi's chat in the Discord, people were talking about Steven Universe. Ugh. Onion's such a mysterious character. I did enjoy the early parts of Steven Universe. The Monster of the Week slice of life. I probably already mentioned this before sometime on some stream when I was talking about Steven Universe or whatever. But early Steven Universe was kind of nice. The sort of slice of life with Monster of the Week with you know, hinting at some deeper lore. It was nice. It was nice. Implement the message variant types based on their usage below. What am I doing? Create a match expression to process the different message variants. Passing in a tuple as a function argument, you'll need extra parentheses. Okay. Test match message call. Okay, state, quit, position, color, message. Right, we already have that, okay. We have message, change color, echo, move, quit. Okay, so we'll look at the implementation. We were robbed of pilot Steven. Yeah, the pilot, that was... So many things changed with the pilot. I mean... Besides the character designs, but like the characters themselves too. It's been so long. I forgot whether I actually like the pilot compared to the original, or like the actual show. All I remember was it was pretty different. And the people were... Hold on. I think the characters are like a bit more mean to each other in the pilot. I don't remember it very well though. Okay, well we have change color, was it? Message change color takes 3 values. U8s, alright. God. It's been so long since I was in my Steven Universe phase. I was like obsessed with that show for like a couple months. Yeah, it was like a couple months and then I was like less obsessed with it. But I was obsessed with Homestuck for a good while, a good few years. Man. Homestuck. Echo takes a string. What else we have? Move takes a point and then quit. Okay. What else we got? I forgot the sensory video was still going. In the farm, what am I doing? Oh, right. I'm probably gonna have to expand the land before I even get to Echo's workshop. It's okay. Don't need to focus that hard on it. Or do I? How can I make this more efficient? How much fruits or vegetables we have? Probably want some more biofuel conversion. I'm just gonna go for it. We can move it later. We only have like this spot though. And then we probably want the storage unit right next to it. It's a cost, but it's a useful one. Then we can get a biofuel bot as well. Is that a waste of money? It's probably fine. Efficiency. Alright, back to coding. Process, create a match expression to process a different message variants. Alright, cool. Match message. I think it looks like this. I guess it doesn't actually say that we're using RGB color values, but we can just do that. Call self.change color RGB in a tuple that we pass. I'm back. Hello. Had to mute for a bit. I mean, I'm still here. I'm still typing. I guess you can't see it behind the sensor video. Alright. Oh, we almost got our second biofuel bot. Okay. What is this? Self dot move position? P. And the last one, quit. Self.quit. Cool. I think we need to reference the... These are all, yeah, part of message. What's the Vim shortcut for, was it going to the beginning of a line? Well, I know 0, but I guess you just do 0W. So like, instead of BBBB, it's like 0W. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Okay. We did it! Yay! Yay. Do we need more bots? Nah, I think I'll just save for expanding and then getting, what's his name? Echo's workshop to upgrade the bots. Alright, cool. How long am I gonna go? I mean, I guess I'll have to eat dinner at some point, but I can keep going for a bit more. Maybe we'll get at least halfway through. Wait, what's half of 96? 48. Yes, 48. Alright, I'll shoot for halfway through. Enums 3 addressed all the to-dos to make the test pass. Alright, let's see. Wait a minute, this is just... Oh wait, we already did this, okay. Well, produce 1,000 biofuel across all farms. We got an achievement. Let's go. God, I feel like I'm getting I'm getting more tired and getting less able to like communicate. Alright. I'll keep going. Strings 1. Making a pile of house, changing the function signature. Alright, call a string colon from. It's like a static function. Oh. Hi Neo, how's the code wizardry going? It's going. It's good. This is nice little fun exercises to learn Rust with. Hello Soren. I'm glad you're starting to get back into streaming. Saw you on Twitch. I was thinking of doing Twitch if I ever wanted to do like if I wanted to do Rocksmith. I haven't like seriously focused on guitar in a while, but I do enjoy playing that game. I'm probably gonna suck, but oh well. If I ever do like that or rhythm game streams or like Osu or something, maybe I might do that on Twitch. I just like Twitch for the lack of thumbnails. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like, I don't know, I'm less likely to stream just because I have to make a thumbnail. But yeah, Twitch's way of doing it does seem pretty nice for the streamer. Having to make a thumbnail kills my motivation. Exactly, yeah. Like, I've kind of got my process down and everything, but I still have to... Like, I keep changing games, right? So I'm always, like, looking for assets to, like, make the thumbnail with. And then, like... I don't know, have to find new stuff. That's, like, the one thing I didn't expect when starting streaming, yeah. Yeah, I know Rami talks a lot about the making the thumbnail. I like Rami's thumbnail. She puts a lot of effort into like making an MS Paint drawing and making it like unique. Ooh, try not changing this line. I'm still using like the same 2 or 3 AI images I generated like months ago. Maybe I should generate some more, or maybe I should get some actual art, human art. If is a color word. Consider borrowing here. Okay, we'll do that. Do you have to? I hear so many people moving to Twitch because they hate thumbnails, but can't you just not make them? I mean, yeah, you could just like make your basic template generic thumbnail and then just use that for every stream. I see streamers who like multi-stream, who stream on multiple platforms, like Primogen or Pirate Software, do it like that. So like their stream is more Twitch focused, and so the thumbnail is just generic thumbnail, and then they copy their Twitch name or whatever, but then they're also streaming on YouTube. The other thing I like about the Twitch format is how easy it is to just switch up what you're doing. If you're like, instead of playing one game for the stream, then if you like change it up, then you can just like change the title, change the category. No new thumbnail, having to make a thumbnail. So that part of the system does seem kind of appealing to me. I'm just so used to watching VTubers on YouTube that I'm sticking with YouTube for now. I don't want to like split up my audience or whatever. I guess I could try like restream or whatever. Maybe. But I think I'm used to the system I have now, so I'll probably stick with that unless it's for like music copyright reasons that I'd feel like using Twitch instead. Which I might if I do like rhythm games. You don't have to make thumbnails, but you really should be doing so. Yeah. I haven't like looked that closely at the analytics, but I do think there are some people who click on the stream randomly from the algorithm or whatever. In that case, then yeah, thumbnail probably does matter. I'm still too small to see like the demographic data or whatever. Input dot. Wow, trim. Can we just trim? Turns a at string. So string from. I could do like string from input dot trim. Oh, so you can't do that. Okay, do it like that. Yeah, same. Cool. Add world to the string. All right, cool. String from. Use the plus operator, right? Return that. Okay, cool. Replace cars in the string with balloons. All right. Input dot replace all matches of a pattern with another string. Replace cars with balloons. That returns a string slice, so I think or does that? No, it actually returns a new string. Okay, cool. So we don't need to call string from. Nice. What do we have now? Plus cannot be used to concatenate two string reference strings. Create a known string from a string reference. Can you do that? Cool. Wow. Great. String objects versus string slices. I still don't have like a full understanding. Maybe we should read the book on that. Of the difference between the two. String object is like... I guess other languages have that too, like the difference between a string object and a string literal. Although the ampersand string reference is like... It's called a string slice, I think. Here are a bunch of values, somewhere string, somewhere ampersand strs. Call one of these two functions on each value, depending on what you think each value is. Okay. So replace the question mark with... Oops. This is a string slice, because it's like the literal string. We call .to string, which returns a string. Oops. A string object, I think. Okay, string from returns a string object. .to owned returns a... Is that a string object? Let's see. Okay. .into. What is into? Converts this type into the usually inferred input type. Oh, interesting. Does that mean we can do both? Let's see. String string slice. Neat. Great, thanks compiler. Oh, I guess you can't see the my sensory video. Oh no. Okay. Format, bang, interpolation, station. That's a macro, right? I'd imagine that returns a string. The string slice. Or does it? Creates a string. Okay, so it's a string object. Okay. Okay. Oh, we got some empty land. How far are we? We're like halfway to getting some more land. What do we want? Lettuce? I guess I'll plant some lettuce. Ah. Okay. Reference string from ABC slice 0, 1. What's literally a slice syntax of string? So it's a string slice, right? Okay. Hello there dot trim. Trim returns. We used it last in the last one. What does trim return? I want to say a string object. Let's see. Nope, it's a string reference or a string slice. Trim returns a string slice of leading and trailing white space removed. Okay, so yeah, it's probably like a reference to the. Actually, how does that work? And why do some of these like return? Okay, to string expect, yeah, string to owned creates own data from borrowed data, turns a string object. Does that make sense? Format is a macro and it just returns a string. Okay. Into returns either because it's like letting the compiler convert things. Onion. Do I need onion? Yeah, whatever. All right. Happy Monday dot to string. That's a string object dot replace. Replace also returns a string object. We used it last time. All right. To lowercase. That could be either. What I expect? Return something new. If replace returns a string object, but to lowercase also return a string object. Yeah, string object as a new string. All right. Cool. We did it. Modules. All right, we're getting close. I'm probably gonna. I'm getting hungry, so I'll get to at least halfway through, so 48. But I know the later ones are probably gonna be like way more complex. So probably, hopefully, maybe. I don't know. I'd assume so. Still farming. All right. What do we got? Oh, look at that pineapple. Look at that watermelon. I'm getting distracted. Modules 1. Don't let anybody outside the module see this. Alright, but we want to call make sausage, so let's make this public. Ooh, get this secret recipe. It's from Ginger, but we don't even print it, so it's just sausage. Alright. Sausage. Food. Alright, fix these use statements. Use self fruits pair. As. Oh, the modules are right here. Alright. As. as the fruit, as the veggie. Oh no. This is private constant import. Import fruit through the re-export. What am I reading? Okay, the constant import fruit is defined here. It's private. Does pub go here? No. Can we do pub here? Can we do pub here? Oh, we do use pub here. All right, pub use self-fruits pairs fruit. Okay, cool. Neat. All right, modules 3. You can use the use keyword to bring module paths from modules from anywhere, and especially from the Rust standard library, into your scope. Bring system time and Unix epoch from the standard time module bonus style points if you use one line. All right. Use standard time. I hear some people read it as STD. I don't know why. I don't know why I say standard instead of STD here. But I think that's what I got used to from, I don't know, somewhere. Actually, what even other languages? Like C++ is the main language I think of when I think of like this syntax for importing like a standard library. Corn, planting some corn. You can almost get more land. And on that land, I'm just gonna add Echo's Workshop probably. Okay. Standard time, system time, and Unix epoch. Yeah, do that. Okay. Oh, you can see the date. Epoch was that many seconds ago. Let's go. All right, should I? I should read the documentation. I guess I can look at it here. All right, a hash map. How do I scroll in this floating window? Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna need to mute for a while. cool. I think we can just yeah, let the compiler interpret the types. It's gonna be string U32. Okay, put more fruits in your basket here. At least 5 fruits and 3 types of fruits. Okay, cool. Basket, insert, string from apples. Oh wait, we got the sensory fruit video up right here. Basket.length, 3 types of fruit, and then some of the values. So we'll say we have 2 apples here. And we'll put in a cherry. Oh, but there's grapes too. Okay, we'll just put 1 cherry in. All right. Wowie! 46 hash maps 2. We're collecting different fruits to bake a delicious fruit cake. We have a basket, which will represent in the form of a hash map. The key represents the name of each fruit we collect, and the value represents how many of that particular fruit we have collected. 3 types of fruits, apple, mango, and lychee. Damn it, my hands are already in the basket hash map. At least 1 of each kind, more than 11 in total. Alright. You are not allowed to insert any more of these fruits. What does that mean? You are not allowed to put any type of fruit that's already present. Okay. 4 fruit. Okay, we have a basket. It's a hash map of fruit to U32. For fruit and fruit kinds. This area has or contains key. And then invert this. And then expected fruit reference, so fruit reference, okay. Let's see what this test does. Okay, insert these, don't modify this function. At least 5 types of fruit, and then at least greater than 11 fruit. Okay. So we already have 11. Oh, we have 11 already. So we can just add like, well, 1 fruit. Basket dot insert fruit 1. Yay, we did it. How much? Oh, we have enough to clear some land. Almost enough for Echo's workshop. I don't think we have enough space. We'd have to demolish some stuff, but I'm gonna clear up this land first. Already, when you're done with your break, Rusty. Or I guess Haiku can do it. What do we got here? What are we planting? Carrots, celery. What do we need? Some corn, some onions. We have a lot of corn. We need a few more carrots. Guess we'll go onion next. Yeah, just plant some wherever. And let Haiku clean up the junk. Alright. Where are we? Hash maps 3. Hash maps 3, alright. A list of scores of a soccer match is given. Each line is of the form Team 1 name, Team 2 name. Hey! Team 1 goals, Team 2 goals. Okay, build a scores table containing the name of team, goals team scored, goals the team conceded. One approach to build the scores table is to use a hash map. The solution is partially written. To use a hash map, complete it to pass the test. Yay. Alright, cool. Let's see. Let's see these tests. Test build scores, key sort. Scores, build scores table. Scores, return scores. Okay, so. Goal score, scores conceded. String team. Okay, so team is struct. Okay. Alright. I think I understand it now. Alright, so for all of these, we insert. Is it only... Ooh, okay, so we are gonna need to update it if it contains... Okay, so if... Wow! Alright, we cleared up the land. I think I'm just gonna save directly for Echo's Workshop now. Alright, but this, okay. We need to set defaults if they aren't present. So if not scores dot, so it contains key, team one name. Don't need the parentheses. String? Wait, reference. Wait, toString, wait. Okay. If not scores, contains key, reference team one name, then scores dot insert. The key is team one name. The value is team. Goal scored is I'm thinking we combine the logic to add to these values later. So we'll use these as default values. There's probably some syntax to make this easier, right? I guess we'll find out. Then scores dot get and mute team one name. Should I do let and mute? Is this? What is this? Reference goal scored equals. Can you do plus equals team one score? Team one dot goals conceded. Oh, you can't even see this. This is a sensory video. Okay, goals conceded plus equals team two score. Repeat this for team 2. That'd be team 2, team 2. Team 2 goals conceded is the team 1 score. Alright. That is an option. Get mute returns an option. I do actually want to look at the hashmap API to see if there's an easier way to do this. So let's see. Hashmap? Hashmap. Create a new hashmap. Access values in a hashmap. Hashmaps and ownership. Updating a hashmap. Overwriting a value. Adding a key and value only if a key isn't present. If the key does exist in the hashmap, the existing value should remain the way it is. If the key it doesn't exist, insert it and a value for it. Okay. Use entry. It's an enum called entry that represents a value that might or might not exist. Updating a value based on the old value. Count equal map entry. Word or insert. Ooh, okay. So I think we can use, yeah, map.entry. All right. I should leave that open. Here, I'll just hide it on the stream. So let's clear this out. Let team 1 equal scores.entry of team 1 name dot or insert. And this is a team with goals conceded 0, goals scored 0, because we're going to modify it after this. Here we need to dereference to assign goals scored plus equals team 1 score. Dereference team 1 goals conceded plus equals team 2 score. Repeat this for team 2. Whoops. Not this. 1. Team 2 name. Team 2's goals scored is the team's 2 score. Team 2's goals conceded is the team's 1 score. Type U8 cannot be dereferenced. What is this value? Mute reference to team. Okay. Oh, and then the dereference happens in the dot syntax, I think. Yeah, so we don't need to put the dereference ourselves. Okay, cool. Alright, that was good. That was good to learn about the entry or insert thing. It's useful. How much more do we need to... We're saving for Echo's workshop, but that's gonna be... Yeah. Oh, we earned 15,000 spare parts. Oh, we unlocked cauliflower. Let's go. I'm just gonna plant some cauliflower. Yeah. Alright, we're like 2,000 away. Or 6,000 away. Yeah, we're 6,000 away from Echo's workshop. Okay. Where are we? On exercise 48, quiz 2. Alright, since this is a quiz, I suppose we can end the stream after this one. This is the halfway point in terms of number of exercises. Alright. This is a quiz for the following sections: strings, vects, moves, semantics, modules, enums. Let's build a little machine in the form of a function. As input, we're going to give a list of strings and commands. These commands determine what action is going to be applied to the string. It can either be uppercase the string, trim the string, append bar to the string. Do you guys want the, the sensory fruit video? Should we be on Subfruit Supers? Nah. Alright, well, we'll just put the fruit back. Halfway already, speedrunning this shit, yeah. Yeah, we're speedrunning. Bring that down a bit. You can just have it over the whole bottom of the screen. Yeah. Okay. No hints this time. So, uppercase, trim the string, append bar to the string a specified amount of times. The input is going to be a vector of 2-length tuple. The first element is string, the second is command. The output element is going to be vector of strings. Let's see. Tests, use, what do we need to import to have transformer in scope? Oh, it's a module. It's our module. Do we just do my module? Transformer. Complete the function signature. Input is... what is input? A vector of the 2-length tuple. Whoop. It is vec of tuple string. String? String object or string slice? And then command. Syntax error returns vec of string. What's the error? Oh, close parenthesis. Alright. What is this? What is the output? Vec of string. Complete the function body, you can do it. Oh, create my module. Alright, here we go. So, complete the function body. Move these to-dos, alright. We match string. Not the string, the command. Alright. Command uppercase. We return oh, we append it to the... Alright. So output dot... is it push? Push. What are we pushing? String dot to uppercase, which returns a string object. Okay. Command trim. Oh, we've got empty space in our farm. We still need some lettuce. I feel like we haven't planted enough lettuce. I'm gonna plant some more. Do we need more corn? A little bit. I'll start doing cauliflower, actually. Do some onion, too. Alright. How far are we? Yeah, we're still a while away from Echo's workshop, but we're getting there. Alright. What are you doing? Was this blocked by the dancing fruits? Maybe I should... Resize this a bit more. There we go. All right. Optimal stream layout. Trim output dot push. Actually, we can. Oh. Whoops. We can have this match statement return the value. So then we do output dot push and then the whole match statement. String dot trim. That is a string reference or string slice. It's always optimal to have dancing cherries on screen. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Dancing fruits. Yeah. Okay. String from string.trim. And command append. This usize is the, what do you call this, count? Remind me what this needs to do. Append bar to the string a specified amount of times. All right. Rfind split, try into capacity as bytes, toString remove, extends. Lines any, repeat. Repeat? Is that what we want? Hold on. Creates a new string by repeating a string n times. Okay, so we want to add bar that many times. So it return string plus bar.repeat count. Yeah. And we push this whole match statement, the return value of the match statement. All right. What do we have? Compiler errors. Control shift okay. Yeah. Don't have to use my mouse. I guess you can't even like fully read this because my head's blocking the way. It's okay, VTuber on screen. Mail on stream. I'm the mail on stream. Okay. Expected usize found reference usize. Interesting. Okay. Consider dereferencing the borrow. That would make sense. Okay. Cannot concatenate a string slice with a string. Create an own string. Hold on. String reference. There's a string. Left is string reference. Two owned? Usually by okay. Now I have a string reference. No, there's a string object. And what's on the right? Add a borrow on the right. Why do we need the bar on the right? What happens here? Expected. Ooh. Wait, is this a string slice or hold on? This is a string object reference. Two owned returns what? String? This becomes a string, then this becomes why does it work that way? Hold on. Bar is okay, string literal. Repeat returns a string object. I thought it returns a string object. Can you not add string object to string object? Is that how it works? Let foo equal string from test plus string from test2. Ah, okay, so there is an issue. Oh, so you can only add a string slice. Oh, we're getting so close to Echo's workshop. You can only add a string slice to a string object. Okay, interesting. We did it! Yay! Alright. Now we're on 48. Exercises up. Options 1. Should we do the first one? Or should I just do... Clap, clap, clap! Yay! Options. How many are there? There's only 3 here. Okay, maybe I'll do this. I'll do this one in the end stream. And maybe we can get to building Echo's workshop as well. Execute Rustlings hint. Options 1 or use the hint watch subcommand for a hint. Gracefully handle cases where time of day is greater than 23. Okay. Do an if, like if time of day is greater than 23, none. Else some if time of day is before 10 p.m. so 24 hours, so 22. Value of 0. Oh, wait. Else it's just some. There's 5 pieces. Is that it? 20 at 10 p.m. Okay. Else if time of day is greater than or equal to 22, so at 10 p.m. Some 0. Else some 5. Oh no! Fix this test. How do you get at the value contained in the option? This is a test. We could just expect it. It sounds like they want to That's one way, but that panics if it messes up. I think the more reasonable way would be to wrap this in some. Cool. Alright, yeah, we'll do that. Ooh, we're at 300 biofuel again. Oh, we need to plant some more crops. We got potatoes! Let's go, potatoes! 5 water. 7 count, 6 biofuel, 7 serve parts. Nice. More crops. Have to do less planting. Alright. Did we already get rid of... Wait. Oh, okay. There we go. Options 2. What do we got here? Make this an if-let statement whose value is some type. Alright. So if let some word equals optional target. Cool. All right, layered options. Make this a while let statement. Remember that vector.pop also adds another layer of option t. You can stack option t's into while let and if let. Oh god. Maybe I should read the book here. Options can be stacked in an if let and while let. Okay, flow control, while let. Yeah, this is something I haven't seen yet. While let. Well, let some I equal optional. Oh, okay. So while let integer equal optional integers pop. Pop adds a layer of some integer. Expected option on I8. So we need to wrap it in another sum layer. Is that right? Oh, because it's a vector of options. Okay, so we need to wrap it in another sum. Oh, okay. Cool. Ah, back to our sensory fruit. Sensory fruit stream. Oh, we got more farmland. More open. Oh, and we're almost at Echo's workshop. All right, let's see if I can finish up this options 3. All right. Hey, bear. Ah, God. All right, options 3. All right, now this is the last one. This is the surrounding stream after. Fix without deleting this line. All right. Y is an option point, some p. P.x, P.y. Fix without deleting this line. Wait. Hold on. What's the compiler error? Hold on. I'm not done. I'm done. Options 3. Alright. What's the error? Value is used here after a partial move. Okay. Borrow this binding in the pattern to avoid moving the value. Okay. Oh, because we moved the... Okay, we move the p when we do this. Okay, if we use ref p, then what happens? It compiles. Wow! I want to read the book on that. The compiler shows correction. After making the correction, to read this. Standard keyword ref. Bind by reference during pattern matching. Okay, ref annotates pattern bindings to make them borrow rather than move. It is not part of the pattern as far as matching is concerned. It does not affect whether a value is matched, only how it is matched. You don't really need the value to be moved unknown. Use ref keyword, value is only borrowed, not moved, and you can use it after the match same. Okay, cool. Ampersand denotes that your pattern expects a reference to an object, hence ampersand is part of said pattern. Ampersand foo matches different objects than foo does. Ref indicates you want a reference to an unpacked value. It's not matched against foo. Ref foo matches the same objects as foo. Okay, so it doesn't change what the match statement is matching against, but it changes what you get from the match statement. Okay, cool. Hi, Neo Paulino, Neo Love, Neo Supremacy, Neo something. Hello, Hero of Logic. Thanks for showing up. I'm like about to end stream. All right, we did options 3. That was exercise 50. And I've gotta go eat. It's okay. You made it. Yay. All right. Air handling errors 1. We'll save that for later. Probably gonna finish this on stream. All right. You were about to end stream about 45 minutes ago. All right. Hold on. We need to build Echo's workshop. Yeah, that's much more important. There we go. You need to wait for me. Yep, I was waiting for you specifically. Just for you. Ooh. Finally, we can upgrade our robots. I mean, we don't have to do this now. We can just save and quit. All right. Getting flashbanged by my Beatani wallpaper. Can I show that? Hold on. Image. Where is it? VTubers, wallpapers. Oh god, I've got some some stuff that I probably shouldn't show. This is my current desktop wallpaper. Beatani's artwork. Ooh, I miss her, bros. Anyway, thanks for coming to stream. We'll just, oh god. Let's hide that. All right, thanks everyone for coming. Damn it, I miss her. Now it's like our background is XP Hill and I'm looking at the freaking sensory videos instead of what you're seeing on stream. All right. You're welcome. All right, thank you, Hero of Logic. Thank you, Rexus. Thank you, Cyclocus. Thank you, Soren Sorrel. Thank you, Internet Content Consumer, and thank you, Cypher28. Thank you, NetVault, and thank you, Kaito Shion. Thanks for stream. See you next time. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. I'm glad people are enjoying my stream. All right. Let's find someone to relay. I can't freaking speak. Let's find someone to raid. Otsuneo. Oh, Raimi's online. All right, we're raiding Raimi. Here's our unofficial raid. All right. Good night, everyone. Otsuneo. Of course, lol. Bye bye. Bye bye. Otsuneo. Bye bye. It's this arm. Alright. Bye bye. Otsuneo. That's the wrong thing. Alright. Bye bye.